I'm David Oleski. I just finished a painting of black plums and I'm feeling pretty good. Everything really is almost black, and you can't even start to weigh out all of those values until you get everything completely covered. Once you dig in, you realize that nothing is actually black. Everything is some nuance and variation on very dark colors, and you need to find out which of those colors are reflecting, which of those colors are surface, and which of those colors are just atmosphere. So I had a fairly productive first session and I got a lot done. Very pleased with day one. However, the second day the sun never came out. Poor light means poor shadows and no color. So I did not get any work done on this painting. The chemistry of the dark colors and the medium that I use will make the paint skin over and set up really quickly. So rather than be fighting this surface, I decided just to scrape it down and get ready to rework it when the sun came out again. As I've said before, nothing you've ever done is so precious that you couldn't scrape it out and redo it again better. Every step should be a step forward. So I hope this was helpful. What did we learn today? Don't give up. Keep working on it. Everything can be fixed. Sometimes life gets in the way. Sometimes the sun doesn't come out. That's not a reason to not keep going and figure it out. As always, take care of yourself. Life is precious. Time is short. We have a lot to get done. Okay.